Okay, so like we talked about yesterday, our spelling pattern this week is the vowel teams that say oo, E-W-O-O or O-U. So our first word is room. So go ahead and stretch it. Three sounds. First is blue, oo, yellow, blue. So go ahead and fill in and then make sure you spell it over here as well. Your second word today is you. Oo. First one is blue. Second one is yellow. Oo. Now, you is going to be our only word that has the OU at the, is going to be the only one that has OU. So make sure that you remember that. The rest of our words will either have EW or OO. Our third word is stew. So go ahead and stretch it. Stew. Three sounds. First one is blue. Blue, and then oo. Now think about on this one, which vowel pattern, which vowel team goes at the end of words. Next word is boost. So we're going to go ahead and stretch that. Boost. That was four sounds. First one is blue, oo, yellow, blue, blue again, boost. Now remember, we're going to use the vowel team that goes in the middle of a word. Next word is scoop. Let's stretch it. Scoop. First sound is, that's going to be a blue. Another blue. Ooh, yellow. And then is another blue. Make sure that you, again, remember which vowel team goes in the middle of a word. Our last word is flew. Like I flew an airplane. Let's stretch it. Ooh. First sound is f, that's blue. Second one is blue again. And our third sound is oo, which is our yellow. Now again, remember that we are at the end of the word with this one. So which vowel team do we use at the end of a word? Make sure that on all of these that you're filling in your boxes for each sound, as well as writing your words over here on the side.